So y'all can see your boy dyed his hair from the last video. I posted videos every day now, you feel me? But just a little simple intro. Go ahead, drop the intro. Go ahead, drop that intro. I'll get back at y'all when I'm on the bus.
If I ever have to turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I seen it have been through it. I can't put it in my song, I know how to fed go. Scream free out of the house, but I ain't no fam gon'. Gave my mama 10 bands, sent it to Cancun. Got the crowd going down, but I ain't no damn fool. If I went in there and did it, it made it, you can too. We done came a long way from broken sharing shoes. When you're rich like this, you don't cheat for.
Okay, so never mind, I'm bored. We're gonna be doing some pranks on the teacher. You feel me? We're gonna be doing some pranks on the teacher. Miss McDowell. Miss McDowell? Hey, that one. So
I got this.
when she get back in here, I'm gonna let y'all know.
I'm gonna walk with the look.
I'm trying to do the intro, but this kid keep talking to me, but it's whatever.
Bro, let me give me this, man. This how he be. What's up, YouTube? We back with another banger. I hear it. It's so fun. Well, camera, I mean.
We dropped another banger video, so I'm gonna get back at y'all when the teacher come back in the classroom. Blue Shades back at it again, man, you feel me? So today we're in health class with your boy Miss Girl, as you feel me. Simple. Hold on, we gotta do the banger thing again. Boop, boop, boop.
Hold on, we gotta be like, what's up, YouTube? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We back with a banger.
You feel me? But the first one was. I know y'all see that ugly girl over there recording me for no reason. So we're gonna be pranking the teacher today. Yeah, I'm gonna get her reaction. Hopefully she don't take my phone.
Hold on, oh, we gonna prank on him?
We're gonna be It's a big.
Oh, wait, Jose.
It's a big teacher that just walked in the room out of nowhere. He scared me. He about bald. About just bald. Did y'all see him? Okay, so we're gonna be pranking. We're gonna be pranking her. It's a teacher. Well, not a real teacher, but I'm gonna get back at y'all. We'll get back at y'all when she back in the room. Go ahead. Nah, don't drop that intro. It's another video. It's an intro for that. That's when y'all gonna drop the intro and then the intro. Okay, so she's back in the class. She's back in the class. B.I.G. R.B. She's back in the class. So I'm gonna make noises. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Hopefully she don't take my phone. It's for all y'all, you feel me? Who? I am recording. Make a noise. Scary. Loud. It gotta be loud. Weak. Bruh, this is crazy. Bruh, can y'all hear it? Okay, this is dude in my class named Ma. This is dude in my class named Matthew. If y'all wondering why my lips so close to the thing, it's because the teacher won't suspect if I keep looking. If I keep looking down. For I keep looking down on my phone, so I'm just gonna keep it right here. And we on this health test. I don't really give a fuck. I don't care about this test because we're in health class. You have to pass. So this is really annoying. I don't know why we're doing this. She said who? I knew it. I knew. I'm gonna get back to y'all later. Peace.
I got some issues, I know that I can't lie. Cause I got a bitch, but I fuck hoes on the side.